If you're preparing for the Praxis Middle School Science 5442 exam, Life Science, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Selena, a teacher with 21 years of classroom experience and a test prep expert with Study.com. In this video, we'll break down key life science concepts like cells, genetics, evolution, ecosystems, and human body systems, plus strategies to help you analyze questions and apply your knowledge effectively. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Which process results in the formation of mRNA from a DNA template? A. Translocation, B. Replication, C. Translation, or D. Transcription. A helpful mnemonic is DNA to RNA equals transcription, RNA to protein equals translation. So let's walk through the process of elimination. A is incorrect because it refers to movement, not making mRNA. B is incorrect because it creates DNA from DNA, not RNA. C is incorrect because it uses mRNA to make a protein, not mRNA itself. The correct answer is D. Transcription is the process of synthesizing mRNA from a DNA template. It is the first step in gene expression where a particular segment of DNA is copied into RNA by the enzyme RNA polymerase. Which factor is most likely to cause a rapid increase in human population growth? A. Increase in disease. B. Decrease in water supply. C. Increase in war. Or D. Increase in food supply. You should ask yourself, which option supports survival and reproduction? A is incorrect, as disease increases death rates, which slows the population growth. B is incorrect because limited water reduces survival and fertility. C is incorrect because war leads to loss of life and instability, which slows or decreases population growth. The correct answer is D. An increase in food supply allows for more individuals to be nourished and survive, leading to an increase in birth rates and a decrease in death rates. This in turn leads to a rapid increase in population growth. Which type of evidence is most useful in determining the evolutionary relationship between two species? A. The number of different habitats they can live in. B. Their physical similarities. C. Their genetic similarities. Or D. The size of their populations. When you see questions about evolutionary relationships, you want to think DNA over appearance. Something helpful to remember is genes don't lie. A is incorrect. Habitat range reflects adaptability. B is incorrect. Physical traits can be misleading due to convergent evolution, where unrelated species develop similar features because they live in similar environments. D is incorrect. Population size has no direct connection to ancestry or evolutionary relationships. The correct answer is C. While physical similarities can be indicative of a common ancestry, they can also be the result of convergent evolution, where unrelated species develop similar characteristics due to similar environmental pressures. What factor is most likely to disrupt the stability of an ecosystem? A. A steady supply of sunlight. B. Stable weather conditions. C. The introduction of a non-native species. Or D. A diverse range of species. When you see the words disrupt ecosystem, look for change or imbalance. A is incorrect because sunlight supports photosynthesis and helps ecosystems remain stable. B is incorrect because consistent weather allows organisms to adapt and thrive. D is incorrect because biodiversity increases resilience and helps ecosystems recover from changes. C is the correct answer. The introduction of a non-native species can significantly disrupt an ecosystem stability. Non-native species can become invasive, outcompeting native species for resources, altering habitats, and disrupting the existing balance of the ecosystem. Now that you've worked through these life science practice questions, let's focus on what the Praxis Middle School Science 5442 exam life science section is really measuring. This part of the exam assesses your understanding of how living organisms function, interact, and change over time. For more practice, check out our Praxis Middle School Science 5442 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head over to study.com and check out our Praxis Middle School Science 5442 test prep course. Those who use study.com boast a 92% pass rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of authentic practice questions, and short, targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all the latest Praxis test updates. And please leave your questions and success stories in the comments. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.